Hi guys, just making a quick video on how I would cut out laminate floor around the radiator. If you can just see that. You can see here my board has to go in. So what I've done, I've already marked my board. I've found the center line of where my pipe is, that line, and by putting the board in there and finding the center line there, I've drilled that hole with a 28mm bimetal hole, so I prefer using these. It gives a cleaner, more controlled cut. And after I've done that, I'll mark a line through the back. And I'm going to cut that line with a jigsaw. But what I do, I then make sure I have a new or very sharp jigsaw blade. And I'm going to cut that from this side up and then glue and join it together. And I'll show you that in a minute. Now I've cut my board, I've put it in place, and I'm going to put this piece in there, but I'm going to put some wood glue along the edge. And put it in place. Then with a scrap piece of wood, I usually just line this up so that everything lines up with the joint. Then I give it a wee pull back and then take the excess glue off. Then I just rub with my hand there. It rubs any excess glue off. Then I put a wee packer in the back. Just to keep a bit of pressure on the joint. And that is the joint. There are other ways people do this, but I find this to be the most accurate. And you can't really see a line unless you're down close looking for it. There you go. I hope that helps.